So I'd just like to take this opportunity to make a shout out to a channel that I really enjoy to watch. It's called Full Size, and Full Size just recently cracked the 1,000 subscriber mark, and that's awesome. Really stoked for him to hit that. He's got a really wicked Chev. If you guys want to go check out his channel, I'm going to put the link in the description. He wheels in California, Utah, places like that. Yeah, just crazy scenery and crazy terrain to wheel on. Everyone's dream to go there. So anyway, congratulations Full Size on hitting 1,000 subs. I'm almost there myself with my channel, and that was part of the reason why I was so stoked to see you hit it. You can also check out Full Size on Instagram. He's got an Instagram page that's pretty good too, so check that out, and you guys will really enjoy it. Well, it's a beautiful afternoon here in the Annapolis Valley. Got a little bit of snow last night. Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. As you can see by the previous clip, yesterday I came outside and immediately decided I would rather pick cat hair out of craft dinner than work on this truck because it was cold and there was snow everywhere. Today's not that much better though. Everything's melting and whatnot, but it's not cold. So yeah, today's a day. I've been extremely lazy about doing this and I gotta get at it. Still haven't put that dry shaft together and swapped it into the truck. So today's a day. Gonna get that done. And then I'm gonna head over to the sand pit and drive up that hill to test it out. Okay, so I know that looks like crap, but I'm gonna take it and grind it down, smooth it up. All I need is a lip on there just so that that cap won't come over. So I just kept nuking it and making sure that the thing would still spin. As you can see when I do this, it still turns. I didn't want to weld the cap to it. So I'll clean it up and make it look a little better. And obviously I can't have that big lump there because it'll just bind up. So I've got to take that down quite a bit. But I had to build it up in order to work with something. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional. Alright, so I ground this thing up. As you can see, I cleaned up what I had welded so that it doesn't have any interference for binding up when the yoke is turning, the cardan's turning. I have a nice little ledge there that is gonna imitate this, hopefully keep the cap inside. So yeah, I would say that mission successful for that aspect, so then I can just throw the rest of it back together.
Four hours later.
Okay, she's back together, ready for action. Just got to swap it in. Hopefully everything pans out and it holds together good. I assume it will. First step is to take out the old shaft out of the truck. Okay, so here we are again. I'm seriously having deja vu because I've done this so much. There we go. She's out. I'll just grab the other one and chuck her in. Boom! Done deal. Can't forget my 1/2 inch. can make it up that hill again. It's no big deal. I didn't set the camera up right though to tape it. I got sand on my back.
That was awesome.
Damn! Our windshield, I'm covered in sand. Does it follow us?
Yes. Landing.
Well, Operation Dry Shaft was a success. We're back in the game. We didn't get out wheeling today, other than what you just saw in the sand pit, but the next time I'm off, I'm gonna try and get out and get some wheeling in. We made out good. It held together nicely. So yeah, hopefully the next video you see will be us in the woods somewhere with the pig, having some fun. That's the end of this one. Like, subscribe, share. The last time I checked, we were like 80 subs short of 1,000, so we're getting there. I suspect in the next few weeks we'll hit 1,000. So yeah, that's awesome. Thanks a lot for the subscribes, everyone that's hit that button, and thanks for watching the videos. Get my watch hours up, and we'll see you in the next video.